Hobby Lobby haul. Okay, so first I got this little bead box for everything that I bought. And then I got these rainbow beads, bright little piggy guys for summer. And then I got these, which are kind of like mermaidy, witchy, also for summer, probably for body chains or necklaces. These like kind of raw pearl looking, not exactly, but sort of, that's the vibe. These assorted rounded pearl beads. Two of those. And these